babe! What are you doing?
Welcome back, guys, to our YouTube channel. Today what I'm gonna do what I'm going to do is I'm gonna prank back my wife. Is it? Yeah, cause you know she been going with a bag of something from the other day. Yeah, so she been tell me say she hungry and stuff, but she there right now. She's in dollar store, so she been telling me that she's hungry and whatsoever the case is, and I'm telling her that I'm going to get her some food. But today I'm going to put a little twist to it. When she get the food, I'm going to eat half the food. I'm going to eat some of the food and try to get her reaction. So stay tuned, guys. She's coming, she's coming. She's coming.
Okay.
What did you get?
I got some hair dye and some dusting things and some things for the
any of my chips? You don't got any?
I didn't have any in there.
Okay.
There's some hard to get. What do you want?
I don't know. I'm feeling hungry, to be honest.
What about A&W?
Okay. Let's get it.
Oh my gosh. I should have worn a jacket. It's cold.
It's cold out.
Mm.
That's why I want something. This can hold me up. I love you.
I love you too.
Hi, thank you for choosing us. How may I help you today?
Can I have a... What you said you want again, baby?
A teen burger with no onion.
Teen burger. Can I get a teen burger, no onion?
You know
Just
what?
a burger or a combo?
I'm gonna get onion rings.
With onion rings.
Onion rings and what drink?
You want drink?
Not really, no.
No drink.
No drink? Okay.
Yeah.
Anything else?
That's about it.
That will be $15 at the window.
Okay.
Hi, so I just have a teen burger with no onions and onion rings.
Yes, that's about it. Yeah.
Any napkins?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Napkins.
What are you getting?
Thank you. I don't need anything, baby. I told you. I don't want anything.
Oh gosh.
I just need a kiss. I love you.
I love you too.
Something's so hot, eh?
I know, it's so great. It's good though. I'm not complaining. Because I'm cold when I'm outside. But when I get in here, it's nice and warm.
Okay.
Oh, I'm so hungry.
Thank you so much.
I can't believe you're not getting nothing to eat.
I'll probably find something at home. Probably just do a salad or something at home.
You want one?
What?
Onion ring?
You know I don't like onions, babe.
Oh, really?
It's the worst thing to me. I tried it because of you, but no, I don't damn onion rings.
My favorite ones are A&W.
Onion rings?
I haven't had these in like, I bet you, a year.
Onion rings?
Well, last summer for sure, but I haven't had them all winter. They're so big.
Hot boy.
Yeah, you gotta put your mouth so big to get around it.
That was good.
You wanna bite it?
Probably. It's good. Just a minute. Oh, it's so nice. It's good, baby. Love this. It's good. Grip no teeth, but I can, but it's fine.
What's that? What?
Got my clothes. Staining.
Babe.
Sun is in my eye.
Are you gonna give me my burger back?
You gave me a bite, right? Didn't you?
And you took a bite. It looks like it's almost all
I
gone.
only have one bite.
Babe. Babe! What are you
Mhm.
doing?
To me. What's food, babe? You're scaring me of our food. Take it, I don't want it.
I'm speechless right now.
For what?
Because you said you didn't want a burger. I had 2 bites and it's almost gone. What the hey? You asked for a bite, babe. Well, I don't know why you just didn't get your own.
Literally, I say you treat your husband, you. Make the Jamaican
Oh,
come
you're
out
gonna
to me.
put this on me now.
You make the Jamaican come out to me every time.
You're just gonna put this on me now? You're the one who ate all my burger.
Where, man?
No, you take it. I don't even want it. I
No,
might as well,
I
like,
did.
what's the sense for me to eat it now?
I don't want it.
The next time we go, we're ordering, I'm gonna order 2, and then that way you'll have 1, and I'll have 1. Even if you tell me you don't want 1, I'm ordering 2.
It's fine, I could buy you back a burger, babe. I just do this to see your reaction.
What do you mean? You just did it to see my
And
reaction.
show the people how you are. You're terrible. You see it? I said
No,
she stay.
but you ate.
That's how she is, guys. And I
No,
said how she terrible and stay. Yeah.
babe.
I'm care for her so much. But I only have 2 bites of her burger and
Oh.
that's how she behave. It's okay.
I don't even eat burgers.
It's fine, baby. It's good. Yeah.
I don't even want this now.
Really?
No, I
You
don't.
really don't want it after your sister is a prank. A prank me a prank you. You don't want it? Come on, baby. After every prank, we gotta resume how we were. You signed up for this, babe. Right? You signed up for this. Come on now, honey. It's fine. Are you not gonna give your husband a kiss? You're not gonna give your baby a kiss?
I'm really mad at you right now.
Really?
Yes.
You're gonna give your baby a kiss. Give your baby a kiss.
Oh my God. Oh Lord, guys.
Peace out, guys.
Please, guys, like the video, subscribe, and comment. And guys, also in the comments, tell me what would you have done if you had ordered food and your husband ate most of
You're
all
just
of it.
terrible. Oh my God. this
No,
sounds like
I mean seriously, I
glaring.
think any girl would have said that.
Oh my
Like
God.
seriously, you ate half my you say he said he didn't want any. First of all. And then he asked for a bite and ate almost all of it. Like what the heck?
Snap out of it. Eat it. I love you.
I love you too. Guys,
Mwah.
thanks for watching.
I hope that was a good reaction for you guys, and yeah, peace out.
We
Yeah.
love reading you guys' comments. So comment, You know, people go on YouTube just to read the comments. Let's get some comments on the go here. You guys tell me, if you were in my situation, what would you have done? If you ordered some food and your husband said he wasn't hungry and then he ate half of it, what would you guys do?
Guys, remember to like, subscribe, and comment on the video. Share it out also. Thank you.
Okay, God bless.
I'm here to say Ireland boss, I'm here to represent for Akeen and Jenn. And you know them YouTube channels, so I'm here to tell you, no, I'm here to say no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The past wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?